Let's delve into the intricacies of motor circuit rating, overcurrent protection, wire sizing, and thermomagnetic circuit breakers. NEC 430.22. Permits motor circuits to be rated up to 125% of the motor full load current, often abbreviated as FLA. This allowance suggests the circuit's capability to continuously handle up to 125% of the motor's FLA without overheating, ensuring operational safety and longevity. Next, consider overcurrent protection. NEC 430.52 mandates that motor circuits must incorporate overcurrent devices such as circuit breakers or fuses, rated at or below 125% of the motor's FLA. This provision guarantees that the overcurrent device will activate or trip to interrupt the circuit before an overload condition can cause damage to the motor or wiring. Wire size is another critical aspect. According to NEC 430.22, the wire size for a motor circuit must be determined based on the circuit rating, not solely on the motor's FLA. This requirement ensures that the conductors have sufficient ampacity to safely carry the anticipated current flow within the circuit, even if the motor doesn't consistently draw its maximum current. Thermomagnetic circuit breakers, or TMCBs, are designed to withstand inrush currents, which can peak at 5 to 10 times the motor's FLA during startup. However, these breakers are not engineered to handle sustained overloads beyond their rated capacity. Their primary function is to provide protection against short circuits and excessive current draws, not prolonged operation above their amperage limit. To illustrate, consider a hypothetical 20-amp motor with a full load current of 16 amps. In this case, the circuit rating would be 125% of 16 amps, resulting in a 20-amp circuit. Consequently, the overcurrent device protecting this circuit should be rated at 20 amps or less. The wire size must be selected based on the 20-amp circuit rating, ensuring it can handle the potential current flow within the circuit. While code might allow upsizing the breaker without increasing the wire size, this practice is generally discouraged due to safety concerns. If the breaker is increased without addressing the wire gauge, there is a risk of the wire overheating before the breaker trips, leading to insulation damage or even a fire hazard. A more prudent approach involves upsizing both the breaker and the wire when increasing the motor circuit rating above 125% of the FLA. This coordinated adjustment ensures that the entire circuit, including the conductors, is adequately protected and capable of safely handling the increased current demands. Navigating the NEC requirements for motor circuit rating, overcurrent protection, and wire sizing can be complex. Consulting the full text of the NEC and seeking guidance from qualified electrical professionals is essential for ensuring proper interpretation and application of these regulations.